Embark on a jet-powered journey to kickstart your career at Market Way Student Accommodation in Coventry. Indulge in the luxury of privacy and independence with a range of elegant studio apartments designed with your comfort in mind. All the room here comes fully equipped with a cushy bed, a smart TV, dedicated study nook for those academic pursuits, super fast Wi-Fi, and ample storage. Plus, enjoy the convenience of your own kitchen, complete with modern appliances and a squeaky clean ensuite shower room. But hold on, there's more. We're talking amenities that take your student journey to the next level. Stay active in the state-of-the-art gym, kick back in the chill lounge, or connect with fellow students in the bustling communal areas on weekends. The choice is yours. Also, Market Way is practically a hop, skip, and jump away from both Coventry University and City College Coventry, making that morning commute a breeze. And when you're ready to explore the city, a world of trendy cafes, cultural attractions, and hidden gems await you just around the corner. That's a wrap on Market Way Student Accommodation, where city energy and student comfort collide. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to embark on your Coventry journey. Jump over to amberstudent.com today and let's make Market Way your gateway to an unforgettable student life.